Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jalen Dawes, of course, and this is Jalen Unplugged. Today is Thursday, but normally Thursdays are my days off, but today we will be going to work. I have inventory on Saturday, so I have Sunday off now instead of Thursday for this week only, though, just because I'm not getting off of work until 3 a.m. on Sunday, so then they just gave me the rest of the remainder of the day off. So that being said, we're gonna go home now because we got to get some trading done before we got to get ready for work, and then we'll be going to Costco. So let's hope today we can get a dub. On Tuesday we had a losing day, so let's hope we can make up for Tuesday's losing day. Monday was a winning day, so I'm not too worried about Tuesday's losing day. But yeah, we got some money that we gotta make back, and then we're gonna be going to Costco. So let's go ahead and start our morning because we gotta make it back to the house to walk Zion, and then we're gonna be jumping on the chart. So let's go. All right, y'all. I just got out the shower, and it looks like I missed the trade entry I was looking for, or at least the first one. I literally just missed it. This 10-minute candle literally just came up and tapped it. If you can see on the 1 minute, there's like a wick that literally came up to the zone, and it looks like it's trying to fall. But I'm not gonna lie to you, the way that it tapped on that zone, I might not be getting an entry, which is okay. It is what it is. I'm just not gonna take a trade today because it looks like it doesn't want to come any higher to give a retracement. And it literally, this is the 15-second chart, by the way, but it literally came up, tapped the zone, and then fell right out of it. So I'm not gonna get an entry. But it is what it is. We're about to go to my wife's appointment. She has an appointment at 10 o'clock. It is currently 8:40. And after that, we're gonna be going to work. So let's go ahead and finish getting ready. I just got my pants on and my shirt and belt. I need to put some socks and shoes on, but yeah, so unfortunately we missed the trade. It's leaving. I'm not gonna bother trying to chase it because I'm gonna mess around and get chopped up. So I just don't want to get chopped up, bro. If I'm gonna take a trade, I want to be taking the best trade possible, and I just don't want to get chopped up. So if we don't get our entry, we're just not gonna take a trade today. And we're probably gonna be out by the time this plays out, just because it's already about to be 9. I'm gonna have to leave here soon. So let's go ahead and finish getting ready, and then I'll inform y'all if we end up taking a trade or not. Let's go. All right, y'all. So my wife ended up talking me into staying home. I did end up entering a trade. I'm trying to log in now so I can see if we're up or not because I entered on my phone. All right, bet. So we are in profit. The market is currently trying to go in the other direction, so we're waiting on the displacement to the bottom to catch our full 1 to 3. Right now we're just not consolidating, but consolidating just a little bit. We are trending to the downside though, like we are breaking lows. As you can see here, we had these lows right here that we just swept, and then we are respecting the high and making lower lows, but all trend is bearish, so we should be good for the sell. I don't see why anything else would happen at this point, but that's pretty much it right now. Just waiting for this move to be delivered. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and go walk Zion, and we'll be right back. Hopefully by the time we come back, this trade is done. Hopefully, we shall see. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I thought we were gonna have no trade today, but as you can see, we had a banger. So we were able to get in on the first move to the downside from up here. And then once we broke these lows here, that would have put us at a little bit more than a 1 to 2. So I moved stop loss to 1 to 2 because we had this demand right here at 1 to 4 that I was thinking about taking profit at, but I was like, bro, we have a actual demand. If you come back, if you look here on the 3 minute, we have an actual demand right here with this gap right here to the left. So that was my actual target because it's still within this big little range right here that we could have taken profit at. And as you can see, we really could have taken profit anywhere down here. Anything past this low is kind of a gamble since overall structure is bullish on the higher time frame, because you see we did not break this low right here. And I mean, we could be making that move to the downside right now since we do have a demand right here at on our 1 hour. We do have a 1 hour demand right here. So we probably could have taken profit way down here. I just didn't want to take the risk. Anything could really happen. So I decided to just take profit in the middle while we had it. So I just decided to take profit in the middle while we had it. And that was a little bit more than a 1 to 5 for us. So I really can't complain whatsoever. I'm happy with the way we ended today's trading day. Yes, of course, more money could have been made, but at least we have a win and we're ending the week green. I might trade tomorrow. I don't know. It really has to look good if I'm gonna take it. Just because I'm trying to be smart about my trades and the way I'm going about them, since the market really isn't the best right now. But if we have a clear trade to take, I mean, I don't see why not. So who knows? Maybe tomorrow will be a trading day, maybe not. But at least we're ending the week green. That's all I care about. We're ending the week green overall. All of the accounts are up on the week. So W week for me. I mean, I'm not gonna even bother trying to do too much, but as long as we're ending the week green, that's all I care about. So I'm gonna eat probably some cereal and watch some YouTube, or probably should edit. It's really what I should be doing. But yeah, so right now we are just gonna be chilling until we gotta go to work. And my wife just called me and told me that she just got to her appointment. So everything is going good on that end as well. So pretty good morning so far. I really can't complain. I just need Zion to poop. He still hasn't pooped this morning. I've walked him twice so far. This morning, he still has not went to the bathroom. I fed him and I gave him some water. Hopefully he will use the damn bathroom before I go to work. But that's neither here nor there. So let's go ahead and get some editing done, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Let's go. I wasn't able to record it because I'm walking Zion and I have to hold the leash in one hand and then I was holding my phone in the other. Come on. But I ended up seeing another entry on gold and we took it and we just closed at a 1 to 6. Bro, gold has been moving today. So we just closed out on a 1 to 6. So we ended up technically taking another trade when we weren't supposed to, but we not only minimized the risk by going break even super fast. As soon as we broke 1 to 2, we went break even. So we didn't have to worry about taking any losses off of our profits. But great trade, and I'll show you guys once we get to work because we're kind of late now. So once we get to work, I will show you guys the trade. All right, guys, we just made it to work. I am pulling up the chart right now so you guys can see the trade. So as you guys can see here, this was our first trade to the downside that we caught, and then we waited for the rebalance and the retracement into this 2-minute supply gap. And as soon as we seen it start to respect it on the 15-second, let me see here, I decided to take my position with the stop loss right above, and it delivered the entire move to the bottom, and it's still going, bro. Like, I could have held this a little bit longer. I could have probably held it into this demand down here, but just because of how we rejected there, oh look, it even respected the low. So just because of how it rejected there, I didn't even want to bother trying to take it all the way down. Great trade, can't complain whatsoever. We made a lot of money today. With both of those trades combined, we made a lot of money. So great start to the day, can't complain. Now we made it to work. We're gonna go inside and then I'll get back with you guys when we go on our first break. Let's go. All right, guys, we are on our first break at work. It is super dead, so I actually took my break early, and I was just looking at gold, and bro, gold is still dropping, bro. Like, we literally had the best positions for the day, and we could have definitely held for a lot longer. I'm more than happy with our profits, but look at this. Like, gold is still making its way down to that demand, and it doesn't look like it's coming back anytime soon. That might be what tomorrow's trade is gonna be looking like, would be a buy. So I think if we get a clear buy signal tomorrow, I think I might just go ahead and take it, because we are creating really good structure for us to have a buy position tomorrow. We're creating really good structure for a buy tomorrow. So I think tomorrow, that is what we're gonna be doing, would be buying off of this demand, because you can see we're having a lot of strong buyers come in, but they're just not overpowering the sellers right now. So I think tomorrow the buyer should have the strength to push us back up off of this demand that we created right here on the 1 hour. We have a 1 hour demand here. So I think that's what price is coming down to. And it looks like it's coming down to tap it maybe before the end of the day. It should be able to. It's really close. It's a 13-point move. So we should be able to get that. But all right, guys, I'm going to get back with y'all once we are on our lunch. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we go to lunch. Let's go. All right, guys, so we are on our last break now. It is currently 7:44. We are almost done with our shift. We have about an hour left. Work's been pretty good. I can't complain. I still do want to go sit by the water. I might be doing that tomorrow, though, just because tomorrow's Friday and I shouldn't be trading. And plus, we're at a pivot point in the market. We came all the way down to that demand, like I said. Let me actually show you guys. We came straight down and bounced right off of it. So I think we would probably be taking a buy tomorrow if we were to take anything. But just because we've moved so far down, it's a really good chance of us possibly continuing through this little demand, even though it should hold. You never truly know until you get a couple candles after that. So tomorrow, we don't know. Tomorrow could be a really good day for a buy, or we're probably gonna move up and move back down really fast overnight. So we wouldn't be taking the buy. The buy would be played out and we'll be taking a sell tomorrow. So it really depends on how the chart's reacting tomorrow. So I think we'll just worry about that tomorrow. So let's go ahead and finish our shift, and then I'll get back with y'all once we're walking out the building. Let's go. All right, y'all. We are at home. I'm ending the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, stay unplugged. Deuces.